How to verify it's you on Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can verify it's you on Google. Whenever you try to log your account into some other devices apart from the main account, then you'll receive some sort of notification stating that verify that it's you. So in order to complete that procedure, what you can do is when you try to log in from another devices, then it's going to send you a security code or some sort of question. So what you can do is, in order to complete the verification process, or if you recognize the device, then all you have to do is just press the particular number that has been asked to press it, and as soon as you press the number, or as soon as you're done confirming the number, your account will be logged in to another device as well. So if you don't recognize the device, then you can simply skip that and you can change your password. First of all, enable two-step verification as well. As mentioned, to verify, all you have to do is just go ahead and select verify. First of all, you'll have to make sure to select the particular device if you recognize it, confirming the device. Next step, what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and confirm the number. So basically you'll receive 3 different numbers, so from there you have to select the one that is actually correct. As soon as you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully verified it's you on Google. So in that way you can verify it's you on Google. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.